Hello everyone, welcome to Soham Healer's World. This is a general reading for Libra for the month of March 2021. This reading includes all the 4 weeks of March. So let's see what cards have to say. Alright, Libra. So this is the energy of the month. That is the Queen of Swords reversed. I see you being too sensitive towards situations and losing your control. Where practicality is required, you think from your heart and just not able to move forward in any direction. That kind of a thing I see, energy I see for the month. For the first week, the cards are Chariot, the Star reversed, and Ten of Wands. Sorry. So here I see that you are, moving in a direction where uh, there are a lot of work. There is a lot of work. Like you will be overburdened with lot of responsibilities, lot of work, and like you will be frustrated, you will be over exhausted, all these things I see here. But I would suggest you to prioritize your work and take it step by step, and whenever possible give your body some rest, because that is also very very important. Before moving towards the other weeks, I would request you to kindly subscribe to my channel for the monthly updates. The second week cards are Queen of Pentacles reversed, Six of Pentacles, and Nine of Cups reversed. So I see here that it could be a business situation, or even in general, where you have been a generous person. You have helped people. You have given money to people, or you have helped them with your services. Something like that has happened, but maybe it's your time when you need their help, and you want them to help you either through some kind of a money, or you want your money back, or the services or the care or affection that you've shown to people, you want them to show it to you now because you need it. And unfortunately the people are too busy with their lives that they don't show up here as being your friend or relative, or anybody. So I would only suggest that try to try not to rely on people for your own emotional health. And financially, if you have helped anybody, then I'm sorry to say that don't expect too many things back, too much back. So it's better to keep your money to yourself, unless you have too much extra to give, so that when you need it, you can have your own money rather than relying on the money that you have given it to somebody. So the third week cards are Two of Swords reversed, the Hierophant reversed, and the Empress reversed. So I see here that. Maybe in a love situation, or it could be marriage, there is a lot of confusion. Or if you are planning to get married, still there is a lot of confusion. Maybe there are two people that you are confused about, there are two situations that you are confused about, and both of them are not too good. If even if like there are two people and your family is asking you to get married to any one of them and choose one of them, the both are not too good. Like you don't like any of them and you are forced to choose between them. So it can create a lot of mental like mentally you will be in trouble, and you will not be in peace, you will struggle, and you will not know what to do. So that kind of a thing I see here. And if you are a married person already, then you need to take care of your health, especially if you are a woman. You can just be a little careful of your health for this week. Moving ahead, fourth week, the cards are Seven of Swords reversed, Two of Pentacles, and Eight of Pentacles reversed. Again, I see you in lot of confusion, juggling things, trying to balance things between two people: your work, your personal life, your professional life, your emotions. And there is people maybe trying to trick you. They might try to take advantage of you, and unfortunately you will not be able to do anything about it. So you will be juggling between a lot of different things, emotions, and it might create, a phase of getting exhausted, not knowing what to do, whom to trust, whom not to trust, all these things I see you doing in this particular month. So that kind of an energy I see here. Still, if you have any doubt, you can write to me in the comment box. And for the daily and personalized reading, you can follow us on Instagram and Facebook. Links are given in the description box. That's about it. Good luck.